The three most significant impacts in tropical systems are flooding rain, damaging wind, and storm surge flooding. For coastal areas in particular, storm surge flooding is often the most severe threat as ocean water is forced onshore, potentially causing catastrophic damage to life and property. If you live or work in a coastal community, it's important to know your zone. You can view MEMA's Know Your Zone interactive map to learn if either your home or workplace is in a hurricane evacuation zone. If you are in a hurricane evacuation zone, you must be ready to evacuate when needed. If your community is evacuating because of a tropical storm or hurricane, it is important to get out of harm's way before you are in danger. We urge you to learn more about hurricane evacuation zones. Please visit mass.gov/knowyourzone to remain safe.